Hello and welcome to a brief overview of ShipCaddie. The first thing that you want to do when starting with ShipCaddie is to set up your account. We have a checklist here under Settings to help you get started. Under the Settings tab, you can add a shipping site. You can add unlimited shipping sites here. Add your carrier accounts. You're allowed unlimited carrier accounts, including unlimited carrier accounts within a specific carrier. Carrier accounts for UPS and FedEx will access the rates associated with each account. Printer setup. You can choose between ZPL or non-ZPL printers, and you have the ability to set your label size as well as print packing slips with your labels. This is where you can set up multiple user accounts, and you can specify the type of access that they receive. This is where you can add your predefined packaging types. And lastly, any marketplace or e-commerce integrations can be added here. And you would select Add Integrations and choose from one of the options in our drop-down. And once that's selected, it will prompt you how to integrate your app. Under the Manage Account section, there's multiple options for your account settings. The first one that I want to point out is the Caddy Credit, and that's your prepaid US postage. So to add postage to your account, you can add your credit card or an ACH payment. You can pre-purchase US postage, you can set up auto purchase, and you can view your postage balance. Also under Manage Account is where you'll set up your email settings so that shipment confirmations come from your company's email account, and also add images for company letterhead and company signatures for FedEx ETD documents. This is our shipment window. If you notice at the top, reference number is used generally as an order number, so I'll enter some data here. I have my shipping site selected. I can change that by selecting a different shipping site name and clicking that, and these are all preloaded. My ship to, I can select the plus sign here and add that information, or just select from my contact list. In the middle section is our shipment information, and so the carriers will show all the carrier accounts that have been added. So I'm going to change the carrier account. I'll keep that at FedEx Ground, keep the drop-off type for regular pickup, and then come down here, and for my shipping options, I'm going to select Saturday delivery and event notification. Format text and on delivery. And I'm submit that. And as you see, as we add any of the options here on the left-hand tab, those items will be added here as well as added to this section of your shipment screen. Over to the right, we have the option to add multiple packages to the shipment. So we just click that plus button. For now, I'm just going to ship one package. So I'll delete those. I'll add my weight. And I'm going to select a package that I've already preloaded. No. I can select additional packaging options here, just like we did on shipment options. I'll put a value of $100 and submit that. And down below, I'll add my contents. And I'm just going to grab test, update, no. Okay, so my package is ready to ship, and now I'm going to click on the calculator above, and this is going to show me the different rates between the 3 different FedEx accounts, as well as USPS. So I've got a 1978 rate with FedEx 2-day. Now notice this is shopping only 2-day because I selected Saturday delivery on my options. I'll click on this one. No. And I can print my label. I'm going to click on Save for Later. And I want to go look up one more shipment. So I'm going to go back to Ready to Ship. And I'm going to click on this shipment. This is another one I've done. And you'll notice I have additional shipment options here. If I come and click on the calculator, this one also is Saturday delivery. And it's only selecting 2-day. If I go back and change my shipment options, take Saturday delivery off, and now look at my rates. You'll see I have all these options. So ground, saver, there's 2-day, priority, overnight, and overnight. So we'll select ground and save for later. Let's take a look at an international shipment I've created. So I'll come up and click on this one. This one's going to the UK. There's no extra shipment options. We come over here and rate shop. I'm going to select this first one, International Economy, and we're going to come up here and select this little I, and this is going to show you the breakdown of the actual amount. So it's telling you what part of that is freight, what part is fuel, and an additional handling charge. I'd also like to point out, if we click on this button here, we have label messages. This is essentially our rubber stamps that will print on the label, and it does default to the reference number, the order number in the message one. These can also be added with business rules. Let's look at our business automations, or often referred to as business rules. Our business rules allow you to create custom rules that are defined by your business to help your shipping process. This particular example that I have here, the first one is assigned packaging. Let's take a look at that. So assigned packaging is being triggered off the order. So when the order is imported, it's going to look for certain criteria to be met. So if the SKU starts with rows in an order, then it's going to assign some packaging. So it's set up to assign a carrier and the service level and then the packaging. And that way, when the order is pulled in, it will do that for you. Let's look at another one. I have another example here of rate shopping in an international shipment. So you'll notice the first order, or the first business rule, is done based off of the order, and then latter two are done off of the shipment. So on this business rule, I have the category shipment, create label, and then it's looking for any shipment that comes in with a country other than the United States. It's going to shop rates between these two FedEx accounts using these service levels. It's looking for the lowest rate, and it'll use the assigned packaging. And the premium shipping one is another example. If we look at that, this is based off of a tag. So a shipment has come through with a tag on it, and so it's recognized. If the tag says premier shipping, then we want to go ahead and assign it to a carrier account here, and we want to shop between these 4 service levels. And for this premium shipping service level, we want to say, give me the best price, anything 2 days and under. And we've got a variety of options to choose from here. Let's quickly look at our templates. So if we select Settings and Templates, this is where you're going to set up email confirmations and packing slips. So your email confirmation, there's a template for each. You'd click on the clone button, and essentially this is like a Word document. You can format this however you'd like it, and you can insert any additional fields that are in ShipCaddie directly into your document. So let's say we want to add a customer ID here and save. The same goes for your packing slips. You can also do a packing slip as a label. You've got an option to do a packing slip 4x6 and a packing slip with an 8.5 by 11. And then you can customize this. You can add your logo. You can do whatever you want. This is essentially like a Word document. And again, add any additional ShipCaddie fields and data that are within ShipCaddie to your template. Lastly, I want to show you a little information about our API documentation. If you go to our ShipCaddie site and select API, you can scroll down and look at our API reference guides, our overviews, etc. I've got that window open here. If you go ahead and select Getting Started, this will walk you through exactly what you need to do to request your API token and test out our ShipCaddie API with your systems. That completes our brief overview of ShipCaddie. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Our number is listed on our website, and we'd love to answer any questions you have.